Welcome to Ajaxra Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss NTSC Physics Lecture 1. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. Physics Chapter 1 Measurements. In this, first, what is meant by physics? Physics is a branch of science that deals with the study of nature and its laws. So, what is physics? Physics is nothing but it is a branch of science that deals with the study of nature and its laws. So, physics is the branch of science that deals with the study of nature and its laws. Next, physical quantity. All the quantities in terms of physics, laws of physics are described and which can be measured directly or indirectly are called physical quantities. So, physical quantity is nothing but all quantities in terms of which laws of physics are described and which can be measured directly or indirectly are called physical quantities. For example, mass, length, time, speed, force, etc. These are two types of physical quantities. These are the physical quantities: mass, length, time, speed, force. Now discuss types of physical quantity. In this first one, fundamental quantities. The physical quantities which do not depend upon other physical quantities are called fundamental or base physical quantities. So, the physical quantities which do not depend on physical quantities, the physical quantities which do not depend upon other physical quantities, they are independent, they are not depending on other physical quantities, are called fundamental or base physical quantities. Example: mass, length, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity and amount of substance. All these are fundamental quantities. Okay, fundamental quantities are length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity and amount of substance. Okay, next, derived quantities. The physical quantities which depend on fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. Example: speed, acceleration, force, etc. So, the physical quantities which depend on fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. Example: speed, acceleration, force, etc. So, these are the examples for derived quantities. Derived quantities are depending on fundamental quantities. Okay. Now, discuss unit. The process of measurement is a comparison process. So, unit is a standard quantity used for comparison. The chosen standard for measurement of a physical quantity which has the same nature as that of the quantity, so is called the unit of quantity. So, here what is meant by unit? The process of measurement is a comparison process. So, unit is a standard quantity used for comparison. For comparing, unit is a standard quantity. Why? Because different people have different measurements. So, that's why we are taking a standard unit, that is standard quantity, that is unit. So, the chosen standard for measurement of physical quantity which has the same nature as that of the quantity is called unit of that quantity. Okay. Next, Every measured quantity, its magnitude, comprises of a number and a unit. So, in the measurement of time, say here, suppose for example 15 seconds. Here 15 nothing but number, that is numerical value, so that is magnitude, and s nothing but unit, so that is unit nothing but here s 15 seconds, 15 is the number and s is the unit. If Q is the magnitude of the quantity which does not depend on the selection of unit, then Q is equals to Nu, so that is equals to N1U1, that is equals to N2U2. So this implies N is inversely proportional to U, or N is directly proportional to 1 by U, or the numerical values in two different system of units. Now I will discuss fundamental and derived units. Fundamental, or we can call another name, base units. So fundamental units are those which are independent of unit of other physical quantity and cannot be further resolved into any other units, or the units of fundamental physical quantities are called fundamental or base units. Example, kilogram, meter, second. Next, all units other than fundamental are derived units, so which are dependent on fundamental units. For example, unit of speed. Unit of speed is meters per second. Here speed nothing but distance by time. Distance, here we are taking length, and time seconds. So unit of length is meters, unit of time is seconds. So which depends on unit of length and unit of time. Length and time are fundamental quantities. Next, unit of momentum. Unit of momentum is kilogram meters per second. Depends on unit of mass, length and time. Momentum nothing but product of mass and velocity. So here we are depending on fundamental quantities. Those are mass, length and time. Okay. Next, a system of units is a complete set of fundamental and derived units for all physical quantities. So next we will discuss different types of system of units. First one, FPS, F nothing but foot, P pound, S second. FPS system, or we can calling as another name, British engineering system of units. In this system, the unit of length is foot, the unit of mass is pound, and the time is second. Next, CGS, centimeter, gram, second. So CGS system, also another name, Gaussian system of units. In this system, the unit of length is centimeter and unit of mass is gram and unit of time is second. So these are the FPS, CGS. Okay, next, MKS, meter, kilogram, second system. So this is MKS system. This system is related to mechanics only. In this system, the unit of length is meter, unit of mass is kilogram and time is second. Next, SI, or international system, or system of international units. It is introduced in 1971. So different countries use different set of units. To avoid complexity, by international agreement, 7 physical quantities have been chosen as fundamental or base physical quantities and 2 as supplementary. So here we are international agreement. To avoid this complexity, by international agreement, how many physical quantities? 7. So these are 7 physical quantities have been chosen as fundamental or base physical quantities and 2 as supplementary. So fundamental quantities are 7 and supplementary quantities are 2. So these quantities are, we'll discuss now. Next. Now basic physical quantities, fundamental, unit and symbol. Here 7 fundamental or basic physical quantities and its SI units and its symbols. Let us discuss. First one, mass, its unit is kilogram, its symbol is kg, and length, its unit is meter, symbol m. Time, second, unit is second and its symbol is S. Temperature, and unit of temperature is Kelvin and its symbol is K. Electric current, its unit is ampere, symbol is A. Luminous intensity, its unit is candela, symbol is CD. And last one, amount of substance, its unit is mole, symbol is MOL. So these are the 7 fundamental quantities. First one, mass, length, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity and amount of substance. So its units are unit of mass kilogram, unit of length meter, unit of time second, and unit of temperature Kelvin, unit of electric current ampere, unit of luminous intensity candela, unit of amount of substance mole, and its kilogram symbol kg, meter m, second s, Kelvin k, ampere a, candela cd, mole mol. So these are the 7 fundamental quantities. Okay. Supplementary physical quantities and its supplementary unit and symbol. Plane angle, radian, symbol is RAD. Solid angle, steradian, symbol is SR. Plane angle and solid angle are the 2 supplementary physical quantities and its units are for plane angle radian, for solid angle steradian, and symbol for radian is RAD and symbol for steradian is SR. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.